natural gas. In this video, I'll be going over my trade idea of the week and the day-by-day probability model. So let's start off with the technical analysis on the 1 hour chart. We remain at positive MACD, but we're seeing it diverge. We're off of overbought levels with the RSI, and we continue to average above the 18 moving average, this purple line, at price of $3.09. As with the 4 hour chart, we still remain in positive MACD and slightly off of overbought condition with the RSI. As with the daily chart, we still remain in positive MACD and we're seeing it converge once again. As with the trade idea, I'll be trading UNG, and my position size is less than 1% of my portfolio, and my long entry is at $9.61, and that is this range there. My sell target is at $11.17, and my stop loss is at $9.02. However, if I were to open a short position, my entry is at $11.43. My sell target is at $10.26, and my stop loss is at $11.71. So whichever entry price were to hit first, that'll be my position of the week. So how did I develop these trade ideas? It all comes from the day-by-day probability model, which is available in the link below, so do check it out. As we progress to the 5th day or week of trading, natural gas has a 71% chance to climb between 0 to 8.6%, and to the downside a 29% chance to fall between negative 8.6 to negative 17.3%. So if you enjoyed this content, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and thank you for watching.